Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to check how many cores your CPU have on Windows 11. This is super useful if you are looking to upgrade your system or just want to know more about your computer. So let's start the video. To find number of CPU cores in Windows computer, we are going to use Task Manager. It's quick and easy process. So first step is to right click on the Start menu icon and then select Task Manager. Now maximize the window. If you don't see the menu on the left hand side, then click on these three lines. Now click on the Performance tab. In Performance window, click on the CPU tab. Here you will see a graph for your CPU. Under that you will see details about your CPU, including the number of cores and logical processors. As you can see, this CPU has 4 cores. So this way you can check how many cores your CPU have on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.